Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. If you're the type of person who finds themselves watching something on TV or via a streaming service and wondering to yourself, what's that person been in before? Or I wonder what year this was released. Any questions like that, then you probably find yourself either going to the IMDb site or using the app and, with the best will in the world, having quite a frustrating experience with a poor application layout, lots of hoops to jump through to get the information you want, and also you don't want it taking too long because you're actually in the middle of watching something. Well, Callsheet is the app for you. It's developed by Callsheet, who some of you will know from the Accidental Tech podcast or from the Analog podcast on Relay FM. It's a simple, effective app that does just a few jobs, but it does them in a polished manner that means you can get back to consuming your content quickly after you've executed a search. So let's see it in action. Now, this is Callsheet on the App Store. It's a free download. You get 20 searches for free before you pay either $1 per month or $9 per year. And you can take out a free trial as well for 7 days, and I'll show you how to get there. But first we'll open up the app, and it comes straight into your Discover page. Now, this I tend to find is a nice to have. We've got sections here for popular movies, we've got popular TV shows, we've got new movies as well as new episodes there at the bottom. And of course, you can scroll across these sections here. We don't just have 4 items per line. Now, I haven't used this Discover page often though, because the main reason I use the app is because I want more information on something or someone that I'm currently watching. And for that, we've got the search bar at the bottom. Now, you can search for the production title, a cast member or a crew member as well. Now, I'm going to search for something that I'm watching and loving with Kelly and Lilia at the moment, not for Amelia, it's not quite for her. And that's what we do in the shadows. Now, we've got a few results here. I know the one that I want is at the top because it's a TV series. The result below that is a film. And I can tell that just by looking at the icon that's on the right. We've got a monitor there for a TV series and a film strip there for the movie. So I'll tap on the top one to select it. And I'm taken into a nicely presented set of information for the series. So we've got the title at the top. We've got the years that it was in production. So it's actually still running now. There's a parental guidance rating. So this is why Amelia isn't watching it. And we've got a rating here from the movie database as well. There are 2 buttons here below. We've got a quick access button on the left, and there's a more information one on the right. And we're going to come back to those shortly. And then below that, we have a summary of the series. Now, the list of seasons is down here, and the number of episodes in each one you can see, as well as the year that they were released. And then below that, we've got the cast list. Now, I'm not going to scroll down here, just in case some of you are actually watching this series at the moment and you don't want to know how many episodes a character is there for, just in case that signifies a character dying or something. I will show you how to change that. Spoiler alert, it's the big hide spoilers button. I think I'm safe with showing you that Kayvan Novak is here for 50 episodes because he plays a vampire and they're kind of immortal. So yeah, he's in all 50 episodes. Then for more info on him, I can tap and we're taken to his profile. So very quick there, no lag. And I can see a history of productions that he's been in. And again, I can tell the difference between TV series and films there at a glance. And then if I want to start going down a rabbit hole, I can tap. And I'm taken into the Cruella film here, which wasn't bad actually. I watched this with the girls, and you can see if you tap the score, that the score and most of the information from the app itself comes from the movie database. Now, as well as looking at the cast for a particular production, you can tap to view the crew as well. And this, of course, will show you the writers, producers, everyone involved with the production. I'll just put this back to cast. And again, you can keep going in and pull up information for anything that you like in here. It's really snappy. It's easier to manage, I think, than the IMDb app. And it doesn't have any pop-ups or ads and the like spoiling your experience. Okay, I'm going to come all the way back now to what we do in the shadows here.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.